Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get different shields on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a way to get different shields that you could use for your account here in Monopoly Go, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically, if you try visiting your showroom here, typically you have the option to visit the shields. Which in this case, again, you should be able to switch over to different shields if you have any. Now, how do you exactly get those shields? Now, currently, there are a few ways for you to get those shields. So the first way here is by participating in what we call events. Now, events here typically at the very center of your screen. That's the current event right now, Cakewalk here. Now, depending on the event, sometimes you would actually gain certain rewards that involves shields. Now, in this case, you need to understand that this depends on the event. Now, not all events or not every event would give free shields. So obviously, you need to play the game or participate in different events here to gain those shields. And again, if you click on the rewards here, the icon that you need to land on, typically you should see the end game rewards. So typically a number of dice or a pack of cards or even like a shield. It depends on the event. Now that's the first way for you to get those shields. Now, the second way for you to get shields is sometimes if you try going to the quick win section at the bottom left of your screen, you should be able to view what we call daily missions. Now, typically with daily missions here, you typically just need to do certain things here, like for example, land on community chest or do a bunch of things. So let's go and tap on claim here so that we can claim what we just recently did. Let's go and click on collect. Now, in here, as you can see, I just passed the go one time here or collect one sticker, and I've already completed my quick wins for today. Now, the only one I need to complete is the land community chest here. Now, like what I said, there's another way for you to earn shields inside Monopoly Go, but the thing with this one, it actually depends if shields are being offered right now in Monopoly Go. But if they are offered, typically you should be able to see a number of rewards in here. So usually at the end game or before the end game here, you'll be able to see if shields are being offered as a reward when you complete quick wins for the week. So yeah. Now, currently, those are the ways for you to earn shields. Now, obviously, not every time Monopoly Go would offer shields when you're participating on quick wins or even on events here. So in this case, I would highly recommend you to always play the game, be updated, maybe follow their socials to see if there are any ongoing events, just to be updated so that you know when to participate, when to play, to maximize your time. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.